Welcome to this tutorial. Every product includes structured information such as the title, images, description, pricing, inventory, and custom fields. But sometimes that's not enough. With Gridbox, you can embed the full Gridbox editor directly into your products, giving you complete freedom to create unique layouts and rich content for every product individually. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add extended product information and use the Gridbox editor to create engaging, high-converting product pages. To enable the Gridbox editor for your products, we'll use the Page Content plugin. Let's open the product layout of the Store Content app. Click the Content app settings icon and select Single Post Layout from the drop-down menu. We'll display the extended product information below the product details section. Let's create a new single-column row. In the row settings, set the top margin to 60 pixels. Now it's time to add the Page Content plugin. Click the Add Plugin icon, locate the Page Content plugin in the plugin list, and add it. Save the product layout, and let's switch to the administration panel. Now, let's open one of our products for editing. As you can see, the product submission page now includes two main tabs. The first tab, Item Submission, contains all of the product fields, including product information, pricing, inventory, options, and other product settings. The second tab is Page Content. Open it. Here, you'll find the complete Gridbox editor, including responsive editing, the page structure panel, the library with saved sections and plugins, undo and redo, and the editing canvas. You have access to the complete Gridbox editing experience, allowing you to build any layout you can imagine. Let's create a new section. Notice that the editing area doesn't span the full width of the page. This is because Gridbox automatically detects the width of the parent column where the Page Content plugin is placed in the product layout. As a result, the editor provides an accurate preview of how your content will appear on the product page. And of course, you have access to the complete collection of Gridbox plugins. You can build your content from scratch, combine multiple sections, create complex layouts, and fully customize the design for each product individually. The possibilities are virtually unlimited. For this example, I'll insert a pre-built section from the library. Save the product, and let's take a look at the result on the front end. As you can see, the content created with the Gridbox editor appears exactly where we placed the Page Content plugin in the product layout. This gives you complete creative freedom to build unique product pages with rich content tailored to each product individually. Whether you're showcasing product features, adding comparison tables, videos, or promotional sections, the Gridbox editor gives you everything you need to create engaging product pages that help customers make informed purchasing decisions. With this tutorial, we complete our exploration of the product layout. As you've seen throughout these lessons, Gridbox gives you complete control over the structure, design, and functionality of your product pages, allowing you to create virtually any shopping experience you can imagine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.